In the previous video, we understood what is pop functionality about. In this video, let's try to understand what is remove functionality about. So list one dot remove. So earlier, what did we exactly have done? While using pop, either the last value or some value from a specific index has been removed. What if we don't know the index? So then what exactly happens? Here comes a picture of remove. So if I know something like the value 100, I want to remove that. So what does that say? Remove the first occurrence of value. Here if you observe, there are multiple hundreds. So 101, 2 as well as 3. So the first occurrence would be removed. Let's try to see that. List 1. Yes, the value 100 is got removed. Now let's try to remove the value hello. So list 1 dot remove the value hello. Let's print our list one. Right. So we got the hello value to be removed. But if you observe, pop has been removed and returned the value. Remove is not returning the value because already we know that what is the value we are trying to remove. That's the reason nothing has been returned. But what if you provide some index which is not in the range, or what if you provide some element which is not in the list? Let's say list one dot pop. I want to remove the value which is at the index 100. So we don't have 100 elements. So there is also no scope of having the value 100 as part of index. Let's see what happens. So it says that pop index out of range. Similarly, if you try to remove the value, list one dot remove. Let's again try to remove the value hello. So now we know that hello is not present. Again, if you try to remove, let's see what does that say. Again, it is giving us the error saying that list one dot remove x value is not in the list. So if you provide something which is outside the range or the value which is not present, pop as well as remove would be throwing us the errors. So that is all about remove functionality. In the next video, let's try to understand what is clear functionality about.